Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Phthalic anhydride, isobenzofuran, 1,3-dione, is a benzene ring fused with a 5-membered cyclic anhydride containing 2 carbonyl groups. Moving on to the next step. Lyl-4 is a strong reducing agent that reduces anhydrides. It reduces the cyclic anhydride to give the diol. The 2 carbonyl groups of the anhydride are both reduced to CH2OH groups, yielding 1,2-bis hydroxymethyl benzene oxylene diol, compound A. Moving on to the next step. PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate, is a mild oxidizing agent that oxidizes primary alcohols to aldehydes without over-oxidizing to carboxylic acids. Both CH2OH groups of A are oxidized to ChO groups, giving phthalaldehyde, benzene 1,2 decarbaldehyde, compound B. And for the final step, hydrazine reacts with 2 aldehyde groups. The 2 aldehyde groups of phthalaldehyde react with the 2 NH2 groups of hydrazine, H2N NH2, in a double condensation reaction. Each NH2 of hydrazine reacts with 1 ChO group, forming 2 imine, C is equal to N, bonds with loss of 2 water molecules, and cyclization occurs to give a 6-membered ring containing CH is equal to NN is equal to CH fused to the benzene ring. This product is phthalazine, benzo, D-pyridazine, which has a benzene ring fused with a 6-membered ring containing 2 adjacent nitrogen atoms connected by C is equal to N bonds. The product is phthalazine, which matches option B. Why other options fail? Option A. This would require reaction conditions forming amide bonds, not simple condensation of aldehydes with hydrazine. Option C. This would be the product if the reaction stopped at the hydrazone stage without full cyclization aromatization, or if a different oxidation state were involved. Also, the OH groups suggest incomplete reaction. Option D. O-phenylenediamine would require complete reduction of the nitrogen-containing groups, not formation from aldehyde plus hydrazine. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.